Hello, children. You are welcome to class. Today, we'll be using associative property to make 100 in one-handed. What we'll be doing today, we'll be looking for numbers we can add up to another number that is close to a multiple of 100 in order to get a complete 100. That is a number that is close to a multiple of 100. We add another number to it. Our aim is to get number that is a complete 100. Here's this application problem. Jenny had 39 collectible cards in her collection. Tammy gave her 36 more. How many collectible cards does Jenny have now? We are using number bond here. 39 plus 36. 39 is close to multiple of 10. So we have to break the 36 into 1 and 35. Why? Because the 39 needs just 1 to make a complete 10. So we have 40 plus 35. So 40 plus 35 is 75. So Jenny have 75 cards now. Jenny has what? 75 cards now. Make the next 100. Let's find the missing part to make the next 100. I say 170, you say 30. 170 plus 30 will give us 200. So if we just add 30 to 170, we'll get a complete 100, which is 200. Let's find the missing part. 190. The missing part here to make a complete 100 is just 10. Add 10 to 190, you will get 200. 160. To make a complete 100, the next 100, we add 40. To make the complete 100 or the next 100, we are adding 40. We are adding 30. That is 270 plus 30 will give us 300. 940. To make the next 100, we are adding 60. It will be 940 plus 60 will give us 1000. 1000. When I say 9 tenths plus 4 tenths, you say 10 tenths plus 3 tenths. Then answer in standard form. That is our aim. We want to make a multiple of what? Of 10. For example, 10 tenths plus 3 tenths. That is 9 tenths plus 4 tenths will now be 10 tenths plus 3 tenths. 10 tenths plus 3 tenths is 30 tenths. And since 30 tenths in standard form, 30 tenths in standard form is 130. 90 tenths plus 4 tenths. 90 tenths plus 4 tenths is equal to 20 tenths. Make the 19 a complete whole. That is, take 1 from the 4 tenths, take 1 tenth from the 4 tenths, add it to the 90 tenths. We now have 20 tenths. So 3 tenths will be remaining. So 90 tenths plus 4 tenths is 20 tenths plus 3 tenths. And this is equals to 23 tenths. As 23 tens, its standard form is 230. What about 29 tens plus 4 tens? We take 1 10 from the 4 10, add it to the 29 10 to make a complete whole, which is 30 tens. So 3 tens will be remaining. So 29 tens plus 4 tens is equals to 30 tens plus 3 tens, which is equals to 33 tens. 33 tens its standard form is 330. Same thing here. 29 tens plus 40 tens is equals to 30 tens plus 13 tens, which is equals to 43 tens. 43 tens in standard form is 430. What is 17 plus 12? 17 plus 12 is 29. It's not up to a complete 10. 29. You just need one more to make 30. Okay, what now is 17 tens, 17 rather, plus 13? What is 17 plus 13? 17 plus 13 is 30. How did you know? If I add 1 to the first question, which is 17 plus 12, I will have 30. So 17 plus 13 is 30. That is, I knew by adding just one more, just 1 to the first question, which is 17 plus 12. In other words, 17 plus 13 can be gotten when you just add one more to 17 plus 12. Okay, how many tens equal 70 tens plus 13 tens? What is the value? 70 tens plus 30 tens is 30 tens. And 30 tens mean 300. What is 170 plus 130? 170 plus 130 is 300. So what happened when you add those numbers? When I added 17 plus 12, I got 29. It is a number that is close to a multiple of 10. When I added 17 plus 13, I got 30. That is a multiple of 10. When I added 70 tens plus 30 tens, I got 300. That is a multiple of 100. The same thing, 170 plus 30 is 300, a multiple of 100. What is 17 plus 15? Do this. How many tens equals 70 tens plus 15 tens? Give this a try. $170 plus $150. How did you know? Now, work with a partner to solve this using number bond. 190 plus 160 will give you 350. 430 plus 180 will give you 610. So you can calculate this, use your number bond, and after using your number bond, these are the answers you will get. Lastly, 370 plus 240 will give you 610. Alright, let's use our number board now. We are adding 190 plus 120. Is one of these numbers close to the next 10, next 100? Yes. 190 is close to the next 100. 190 just need 10 more. 10 more to meet the next 100. So therefore, we will have to break the 120 into 10 and 110. So when we add the 10 we have broken to the 190, we now have a complete 100, which is 200. So we are now adding 200 and 110. And this will give us 310. The same thing here. 199 is very close to a multiple of 100. So it needs just one. And to get that one, we have to break the 25 into 1 and 24. So we add the 1 to the 199, we now have 200. So to add up, we now have 200 plus 24 to get 224. The same thing applied here. We broke the 78. Why? 295 is close to a multiple of 100. It's close to a multiple of 100. Also, 78 is close to a multiple of 100 also. But 295 is more close to a multiple of 100. 78 is close to the next multiple of 10. But to get our aim, which is multiple of 100, we have to break 78 into 5 and 73. So when we add the 5 to the 295, we now have 300. So we now have 300 plus 73 to give us 373. So work with a partner to solve this using number bonds. Give this a trial. 299 plus 22, 495 plus 30, and the last one. So if you watch very well, one of them is close to the multiple of 100. So break the other ones, add it to it, and you will get your answer. Hello children, with this we come to the end of the class today. I believe you've learned something. Learn your number bond, numbers that are close to multiples of 100. When adding them up, you have to break the other numbers. Find out how many do they need to make the 100. That will determine how you break the next number. Hello children, I believe you've learned something today. With this we come to the end of the class.